Struggling with the idea of opening a new bank account? Do you worry about confusing forms, hidden fees, and hours wasted trying to figure out the process? Well, you are not alone. Switching or starting a new checking account can feel like a huge headache, but I'm here to tell you that setting up a Regions Bank checking account was surprisingly stress-free for me. In fact, I nailed the whole thing without ever having to step foot inside a branch. Today, I'm sharing my simple 3-step strategy, the best way I've found to get your Regions Bank checking account up and running fast, so you can start managing your money without the fuss. Step 1. Choosing your account and gathering documents. The key to a zero-stress setup is preparation. Regions has a few different checking accounts, so before you even click Apply, make sure you pick the one that fits your life. I went with the Life Green checking because it's their most popular and the fee waiver requirements were easy for me to meet. Once you know your account, gather everything you need. This is the big one. Have these documents ready on your desk. Your Social Security number or TIN. Your primary ID, a driver's license, passport, or state ID. Your current address and phone number. Your minimum opening deposit, for most accounts, it's $50. Have your current bank account and routing number handy to transfer the funds easily. Having all this lined up means you won't have to pause the application halfway through to hunt for a document. Step 2. The simple online application. Regions lets you open an account online in as little as 5 minutes, and it really is that quick if you did step 1 right. Head over to the Regions website and hit the Open an Account button. The online application walks you through 3 main sections: your personal information, account funding, and confirmation. It's incredibly intuitive. Pro tip: if you're opening a Life Green checking account, make sure you choose the option for online statements and look into setting up a direct deposit right away. This can save you from a monthly maintenance fee down the line. It's much easier to set these preferences during the initial sign-up process. Step 3. Setting up digital access for total control. The final step for a stress-free experience is getting your digital tools ready. As soon as you get your confirmation email, immediately enroll in Regions Online Banking. This is critical because it gives you instant control. You can view your new account number and routing number. Set up customized alerts to monitor your balance. Link any external accounts you have for easy transfers. I was able to enroll right away, and it made the few days I waited for my debit card to arrive completely anxiety-free because I could see my account balance and activity on the mobile app. That's it. Pick your account and gather your documents, follow the straightforward online application, and immediately set up your online banking. 3 simple steps to a new Regions Bank checking account, no stress involved. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.